Welcome to our lesson 7 class 2 of African drum with singing. Today I'm going to teach you our first verse of our song Ndikhokhele Bawo. Our first verse is gonna go like this. Ndikhokhele Bawo Song. Now we are going to sing it while playing the African drum. Ndikhokhele Bawo Song. Let's try again. Ready? Ndikhokhele Bawo Song. This is the end of our African drum and singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.